To set up your personal hotspot on OnePlus Nord 5, first of all you will need to click on the gear icon or open your settings. Next step is to move to connection and sharing, then we can find personal hotspot as a first option. Now you need to activate it right here, which will turn on personal hotspot with all of the default settings. You can see the password right here, but we can also customize them. So let's enter hotspot settings, then you can change your hotspot name, hotspot password. You can also turn off password by selecting security and then none, or you can change the WPA protocol to 2 and 3 and 3 standalone. You can also change AP band to 2.4G or 5G network. With 2.4G you will get more compatibility. That means if other devices doesn't support 5G, they will still be able to connect with that network. If you're sure that the device that you're sharing the hotspot with has 5G, then you can pick that and the network will be much faster. Then we can hide our hotspot from it won't be visible to others after you connect with it on your device, and you can also use Wi-Fi 6 which also upgrades the overall network quality. Then make sure to save your settings, and that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.